Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, Chef Kirk. Ain't no Budget Wednesday we like to do. We like to go through this refrigerator and these cabinets and create a tasty meal for you. So stay. All right, guys. So let's go through our cabinets real quick and see what we got for this week. Budget Wednesday. Woo! Cabinet of dreams. I hope you bring me some luck today. What can I find? Apple cider vinegar. You want some apple cider vinegar? You know, this is great for making it look nice and slim. Alright. What we got over here? We got some onion. We have some harder palms. Yeah, so we might have to do something with that. Look on this on the top. We have some gunga. I say it's like a gabanza beans. That's one of the words that my mouth could never get. Gabanza beans. Alright, we have something like that to work with. What else we have up here? Coconut oil. Nah. Alright, so we have two out of 20s. So let's go to our refrigerator to see what we got popping in the fridge. Woo! Someone went shopping! We got a couple things to work with here, people. Oh, yeah. Alright, so first thing first, let's get our scallions out the way. We got some pepper, but you know what? I think I have peppers already cut up. Hold on. Yes, I do. Look at that. Your boy got some of the hard work done already. What else we got up here, huh? You know what? We got some, what's this? Some salad. Got some salad. Oh, I got this big bag of broccoli. Broccoli! What else we have, people? Alright, we have some onions. Might make that work with something. And let me see if we have anything else. Oh, we got some stuff in here. We got mushrooms. Some mushrooms. Alright, what else we have, people? What else do we have? Oh, we got some. That's it for right there. The refrigerator look nice and good. We have some mango sauce. We might put some mango sauce or something, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so let's go over to our dry goods section and see what we have over this bad boy. So we have couscous, we have quinoa, we have some noodles, and then we have some rice, then we have some more pasta over there. So I think I know what I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna go with some quinoa rice for them today. Alright, people, I have an idea what I want to make for this week, Budget Wednesday. Stay tuned, because we're about to make it go down. Peace! Alright, people, so after taking a look at all of my ingredients, I decided to add a few extras. I decided to go with a Mango Jerk Veggie Bowl. Let's go!
Never go a war for me, sit down in a 2020 slavery. Me no know about you, but me know about me. No man can lick me. Some gal love them man more than how them love them one man. Some of them have to touch gal, must be mental. Them a do it for credential. You know one do the but to drop your moral for keep man we have 24 gal. Me no care. You don't touch me dear. Me and me one big man pass picnic stage. Me never serious me when me under here. So better you go on your ways, cause you can't tell me what we do, what we go, how we dress. Me no papi show. Me a the star, so me a no fan of you. Do when me wanna follow you.
So nice to meet you, I'm delighted. We gonna till we wet like Poseidon. Smoking the loud make me high and excited. This is a party and guys are invited. And the girl them so damn hot. Someone reported a fire. What? Someone reported a fire. Ooh. But we be a beat like combine it. Girl in a bikini could be less private. Every cat is pretty so but she goes every stylist. Go for them out and clean and violent. Guineas see a beat white come grab beside it. Money got the door that we hide it. Stand up at the dance, girl a brace, she a ride it. Select a play good, him down boring or an iron. The party a nice yo. The party a nice yo. I be a good vibes yo. If you come here, please right now. The party a nice yo. The party a nice yo. I be a good vibes yo. If you come here, please right now.
In a while enough things for talk about.
And wired, feel on me, feel it tougher than tired. If you did sell, you have a whole heap of buyer. Wind up your waist, make it spin like a choir. Like a horror movie.
from Waterhouse. No baby girl, that's a romance. New man in my life. See me ring finger, yeah. Don't know why. But Chanel upgrade from side chick. Him say me too good, him off your white. Ken to arena one drop. What kind of car him drive? M5 drop top, red leather inside. You're too light. Swear him about 6'5". Big bull tattoo on him right on weird. But that sound like my man. Oh, hey, hey. Yalla, where your man come from? New Kingston. Which Kingston? Oh. We messing with the same damn boy, yeah. I swear I didn't know that he was seeing you. We messing with the same damn boy, yeah. Girl, what we gonna do? Cause him think he's got us fooled. We messing with the same boy, same boy. We messing with the same boy, same boy. Ooh, yeah. He said he got a tattoo, right?
Life night.
Even with a tattoo guy. You say he 6'5", brown eyes. Can't believe this, you're too.
Party hard. We run fire and now we run yard. Nuff nav no legacy like a mongrel dog. Turn up the flame and the place get carved. Hey. Them gyal get after party tonight. Anything but fuck me head, gyal run like water from pipe. They can make you do the things that me like. Turn your pretty in a kite. The tequila make Sheila reveal her innocence. She want all night. When me say legacy, 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 not talk champagne or anything. Legacy, legacy, legacy. We do something funny, come them never see. Legacy, legacy, legacy. Japa bump funny, them edison.
Alright, my Budget Wednesday people, you know, food there, we're done. Look on that. We have everything a full meal need. We have our carbs, we have our vegetable, we have our grains. Oh man, and we got our leafy greens. Yo, listen, enough of the long talking. Time for me to sample this bad boy really quick, see how it tastes, and go from there. But before that, I will put a little bit more jerk on it, alright? Hold on, I'm gonna give a mango jerk on you real quick. Alright, so that's a little. That's a little, ooh, not too much is enough, you know what I mean? Just enough for right now. All right, so first item is I want to go through and get everything from it, every last bit. Some broccoli, some veggie, because again, it's a bowl, so you have to get everything in the bowl. Fat boy says, listen, here you go. That's delicious right there. Listen, spicy. What's that? Oh, I should put that extra spice on the head. Woo! That kicked it in. Listen, it's really simple, really easy. It took me probably about like 20 minutes to make this entire meal. The couscous take a couple minutes to make. Then everything is just sauteed the vegetables. Listen, people, this right here is at the lick. I'm telling you, the mango jerk sauce. The heat, my tongue. Tastes so good. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, Chef Kirk, and I hope you enjoy watching this episode of Budget Wednesday. Listen, if you haven't picked up my bottle of sauce yet, what are you waiting for? Go on beerorganicatering.com. Excuse me, I got food in my mouth. And pick that bad boy. Matter of fact, the link is going to be down below. Just click on that link right there and go ahead and pick up your bottle today. I'm about to go finish this meal real quick. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Tell a friend about a friend. Yeah.